You guys what's going on and what type of car I got here. So this is gonna be the Eniya car tour. Mind you, I just got this yesterday. I have to move it anyways out of the garage, so I figured right now would be a time to do a real quick car tour. Let me pull this bad boy out and I will show you guys what we're working with basically. On the inside of the car, we drop the top real quick. I'm gonna show you guys the outside, what's going on here.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Told Pooh he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friend.
I just gave you guys a quick car tour, but you know, this video is not just about a car. This video is really about how to manifest the life of your dreams. And I know this sounds super duper cliche because at this point everybody's like, yeah, you know, like I tried the whole manifesting thing, I tried the vision board, I tried it all, and my life is still the same. And I just am here to counteract that and say, well, it's not the only step. You can't just manifest through thinking about your life or creating a vision board and envisioning it every day. You actually have to work towards it on a daily basis. And also, you have to be willing to let go. Let go of everything that does not serve that purpose. Let go of everything that's telling you to let it go. Anything that's holding you back. I'm talking about relationships, friendships, traditions, family members. I'm talking about people that tell you that your ideas are stupid. I'm talking about people that tell you that you're not going to be good for anything, or that, you know, you're not capable. I literally had to come inside because it's so hot outside. Letting go of everything that does not make you happy, doesn't serve you, brings you down. And this is like a hard thing because a lot of the times we have attachments to things that we were raised around, or to certain feelings that we have for people or just situations in general because of our conditioning and how we were raised and what we're just used to. So once we break out of not being so into what we're used to and trying new things, accepting these new changes and new experiences, this opens up the universe for us, and this allows us to literally be able to receive the gifts of the universe and everything that our lives are literally meant to be. Like, I'm not a special person. This literally can happen to everyone. I feel super blessed. Like, I feel like my life has changed for the better ever since I had to drop everything. I had to drop material possessions. I had to drop the place that I live. I had to drop old friendships. I had to drop old relationships. I had to drop everything and just accept everything new. And I just want to give that same advice to everybody else so that you guys can all literally step into the life of your dreams. Like, everyone deserves to live this life how they deserve to live it. And it's a lot of us just stay stagnant. A lot of us just go with the flow and think that nothing's going to change any year. And maybe this year, maybe that year, or maybe it's just not meant for me, or maybe I'm just not a lucky person. No, it's not luck. It literally has everything to do with what is going on in your mind. You can manifest it. You can think about it. You can do a vision board about it. But at the end of the day, you need to work and you need to let go. These are literally the two hardest things to do when it comes to this whole manifesting your whole life thing. A lot of people want to tell you that, you know, all it takes is for you to take some pictures and clip them out and put them on your wall. No, that's not all it takes, unfortunately. And I know that these two things sound like they're really, really simple and easy to do, but I'll tell you from experience, it's not that easy to do. It's not that easy to let go of relationships that you're used to. It's not that easy to let go of emotional attachments that you're used to. It's not that easy to let go of material possessions. It's not that easy. It takes a lot of strength. It takes you to think outside of your mind, but it also takes you to be optimistic and understand that once you let all of these things go, you're creating a space in your life for all of the new things that you want, that you're thinking about to enter. So I just wanted to touch base on this because I know that I just did a car tour and blah, 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 blah. And I do love the car. It's a great gift. But this is more about living the life of your dreams, whether it's an Audi or a Range Rover or a Mercedes truck or whatever it is, a Volkswagen, whatever your dream car is, no matter what it is for me. This is about how your mind can transform your life if you take the right steps and just have the right amount of action and you do the right amount of just letting go. Let it go. Let go of that person. Let go of that area. Let go of that place. Accept change and do not fear change, because on the other side of what you don't know could be your dream life, could be the life you've always wanted to live, could be your best life. And you'll never know because you're just afraid. You're afraid of letting go. You're afraid of not knowing. You're afraid of being attached to somebody. You're afraid that somebody else won't really want you the same way that other person wants you. But guess what? It doesn't fucking matter, because no matter what, whatever you want is going to be what's on the other side of that door. So this is not just a car tour video. This is a life manifestation video. And I know that everyone is capable of living the life of their dreams. I'm not a special person. This isn't some hoodoo, voodoo, weird shit. This is literally just thought, action, and the power of letting go. Everyone can fucking do this shit. You guys can do it. I have faith in you, and I can't wait to see how everybody's life is just manifesting into what it is. So, love you guys so much. Hope that this was a cute, fun video. Just wanted to show you guys real quick what's up. Trying to be more open with this situation going on here, because, you know, I'm a mom and I like privacy and shit like that. But since I'm a YouTuber, I gotta show you guys a little bit more about what's going on here. So, I really enjoyed showing you guys the whip. And I really hope that you guys stay tuned for my video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment anything pertaining to your manifestations or what steps you're taking to manifest your dream life. See you guys next time.